From broken to walking again, a miracle story. I died. Not symbolically, not emotionally. I was unconscious, lifeless, for 2.5 days. And when I woke up, everything had changed. I couldn't walk. Couldn't move. But I could still feel God. The breaking. Both hips fractured. Bedridden, utterly dependent. I had to learn to do everything again. From brushing my teeth, to standing up without screaming. And as if that wasn't enough, I was also facing betrayal in my marriage. My soul and my body were shattered. But God was not done. The beginning of restoration. At first, healing was humiliating. Needing help for everything. But slowly, step by painful step. Therapy. Prayer. And the presence of God moved where medicine stalled. Wheelchair to walker. Walker to cane. Cane to walking on my own. What they said couldn't happen, happened anyway. The "but God" moment. I was supposed to stay broken. But God rewrote the script. He fixed things doctors couldn't. He healed what wasn't just physical, but emotional, relational, spiritual. The same God who brought Lazarus back didn't forget me either. He showed up. Not in thunder, but in strength, in people, in peace. Invitation to hope. If you're in a hospital bed right now, if your spirit feels paralyzed by grief, betrayal, or hopelessness, please don't give up. The pain is real, but so is resurrection. And sometimes, the miracle isn't instant. It's daily, quiet, powerful. You may be broken now, but that's not where your story ends. Have you ever faced a moment where you thought it was over, but God stepped in? Let's testify in the comments. Someone needs your hope. Episode 4 is called, The Wound That Taught Me How to Heal. If you've been broken and are ready to rise, click subscribe. You belong in this story too.